Hello everybody, my name is Mitch and today I've got something that's going to change the way you dim your lights. Meet that ELEGRP LEDPro multi-location dimmer switch. It's flicker-free, whisper quiet, and built for the perfect LED lighting control. Trust me, this one's a real game changer. Let me show you how it works. To adjust the brightness, just press the button. The dimming is smooth, silent, and responsive. The fade in and fade out makes the transition very seamless. Powered by the ELEGRP advanced LED Pro dimming technology. Your lights dim smoothly and silently, no flicker, no buzz. It handles dimmable lights up to 150 watts and is also fully compatible with CFLs, incandescent, and halogen lights up to 450 watts. Need control for multiple spots? The LED Pro makes it easy. With companion dimmers, you can control the same lights from 9 different locations, perfect for large rooms, hallways, or staircases. Now let's talk about what makes LED Pro stand out. First, installation is super easy. No neutral wire is required. That means it works perfectly in both new and older homes without any extra wiring. Plus, with universal LED compatibility, it works seamlessly with most major LED brands. No bulb changing. Let's test it out with a few major brands and see it in action. Unlike other dimmers that may flicker, LED Pro keeps your light stable with inrush current protection while also helping to extend the life of your bulbs. With noise reduction components, LED Pro dims your lights quietly and smoothly every time. With extra wide dimming range, every level of brightness is smooth, balanced, and perfectly visible. If you're looking for professional grade LED dimming with simple installation and smooth performance, that ELEGRP LED Pro is the one to choose. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more electrical solutions with ELEGRP